Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, all, and welcome to this session. So let me share the screen first. Okay. Yesterday we have taken a one very important topic, that is the payroll. Anybody have some query regarding that? You completed that or not? Hello? You completed that payroll? Anybody, please? Anybody, you have the question? Should I move ahead? Good afternoon, Devanshi. Yes, recorded classes are there. I'm not sure, but I think so. The link is same in which the recorded classes are uploaded. Okay. Anybody have some doubt related to payroll system? Okay. So today we are going to check the statutory deduction in the payroll system. And then we will check how can we generate the ITR, how can we check the computation. Okay. So let's start. Everybody should do the simultaneously if you want to learn the proper in a clear and concise way. Just create a company, payroll, example 2, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Then press Ctrl A. And before that, I should disable the GST. I should enable the maintain payroll, yes, and then enable payroll statutory. This is the new feature of today's session. Enable payroll statutory feature. Set it yes. Just enter a one company code, group code, anything you can enter. Branch office, that is Indore. Then standard days, working days per month, that is 26. Corporate registration number, that is CIN number. Branch office number. Then 10 number. 10 number is a format of 4 characters, 5 numbers in last character. Enter, enter, enter. Then rest things you can leave it blank. Control A and Control A. Is it? Okay. Then you deleted the company and dated again, then everything was fine. No, it's not possible. Whatever is your name. See, maybe some mistakes was there. So that's why it was not calculating properly, right? It is not like that. Sometimes it calculated and sometimes it's not. It is a proper software. It is a proper accounting software and then embedded calculation is proper up to the mark. So please don't say like that ki something it is not giving me the correct calculated correctly and something it is calculated correctly. It is not like that. Okay. So the best part is again today you should work simultaneously with me because recently I created a one company in which statutory deduction, statutory features should be yes. Okay. Should I move ahead? Please create a one company. Suraj, payroll I'll send you. And interest calculation, yeah, I'll send you all, but please give me the some time now, because see, tomorrow is the holiday, Saturday and Sunday. I'll make necessary arrangement on that Saturday and Sunday. So please give me some time. Okay. So first of all, you should create a one company. Go to the feature, company feature, and there is an option of maintain payroll. Set it yes, then enable payroll statutory, then enter and set these details. Okay. How many working days are there in a per month, then 10 number and everything. Please do it fast. Huh? Completed. Tomorrow class is there. Okay, let me check. Huh? Let me check. Okay, yes. Tomorrow is a class. Yes, yes, yes. I got it. Okay. Please create a one company with like statutory feature should be yes in the payroll. Under the payroll, the option should be yes. Created, yeah, right? Should I move ahead, please? Okay, okay. No issue. Try to do the same thing today also, because I'm doing the same thing, but with statutory deductions. So I'm sure you will get what mistakes were there. Okay. Company created, na? Okay, great. Now press Control A and Control A. Same thing, just create a employee group. Just create the employee group. HR department. Okay. Then set it yes. Okay, I'm not setting here this. We'll define the HR department group wise salary, just define. Okay, HR department. To HR department. Okay, this first of all, we have to create the page. HR department, then transaction department, Okay, and under transaction department, two departments are sales. There, sales DPT. This is under transaction department. Then purchase DPT. This is under transaction department, and last is accounts department. Okay, so we have HR department and transaction department. Under transaction department, we have three department. One is purchase, second is sales, and third is accounts department. Okay, enter. Okay, now afterward you have to create the employee. So one employee is Paridhi Jain, who is our HR department, and the date of joining you should make it 1/5. Okay, because yesterday I told you the concept, because 30th April you cannot enter because attendance we have to enter on the 30th April. Enter employee number, that is EMP-001. Designation, managing the HR operations. Location, gender. Okay, then date of birth, blood group, rest. Now this is very important, you know, this one. Applicable text regime, that is regular text regime. Then PAN number. This is very important. Everybody should provide the PAN number, please. Then PF account number, that is one. EPS account number is same. Date of joining, then PPRAN number. Enter. ESI number, that is E-01. Enter. Do it, please. Okay. Now, Ajay Gupta. This is sales department. 1/5. Then enter. EMP-001. Designation, that is sales manager. Managing the sales operation. Enter. Location is again same. Gender is male. Okay, don't enter 12/12, 1/12. Okay. Then this is very important, regular text regime, and everybody, for every person you have to provide the PAN number. PF number, then ESI, E-02. Enter. Enter. Is it clear? Okay, next is Vinay Jain. Then he is from purchase department. 15 EMP 03 designation, that is purchase manager. Then managing the purchase operation. Location Indore. Gender, date of birth, blood group, then text regime. Okay. Aadhaar number. Then 3 E-03. Then control it. The last step is accountant. One five. Okay. Then last is EMP-0. So it's 4. Okay. Then designation is accountant, aging, cash related operations. Location Indore. Rest I'm leaving it blank. Then controlling. Is it create? You created the employees, 4 employees I created here. Sales department, accounts department, HR department, and purchase department. Now I'm going to define the salary according to the department. Okay. So that it will be very easy to copy the salary from the department wise. But first of all, I'm going to create the heads, and the next is units. Create units. Then again, same. First is a hours. Then second is a minutes, because days are by default created, so no need to create the days unit. Now compound unit, hours of 60 minutes. Is it clear? So Prince, no issue, just like आज complete कर लो. आज complete कर लो. Who created the 4 employees? Who created the 4 employees? Tell me please. Created the 4 employees or not? Completed? Created the 4 employees or not? Please answer me fast. Yes, tomorrow is a class. Tomorrow is a class and Monday will be the last day. Everybody created the employees or not? Okay, no issue, just check. After creating the employee in the unit, you have to create the attendance in the production type. 3 types of attendance I told you. First is a absent. That is attendance with pay, definitely, sorry, attendance without pay. Okay, and suppose there is a present. Definitely, if they present, then they will get the leave, they will get the pay. And then overtime. If they will do the overtime, then it depends on the production. It depends on the production in an hours wise production. Okay, and one is there, that is casual leave. This is leave without pay. This will be the deduction. If they are taking the casual leave, then they will, then the salary will be deducted according to that. Okay, and then sick leave. If they are taking the sick leave, then sick leave is a leave with pay, because sick leave is permitted if the like one certain balance according to the company, if the sick leave balance is like 12, and if it cross the balance, then it will be chargeable. So first of all, I'm taking here the leave with pay. Okay, now the next is pay heads. One by one we will create the pay heads. The first is a basic salary. It is also the earning for employee, and it is the fixed, and it should be under indirect expenses. Now use for gratuity, yes, because today I'll give you the 2 more understanding on bonus and gratuity also. Then set alter income tax detail, yes, because basic salary, it should reflect your ITR. So enter. Here is basic salary. List of income tax components. Okay, so because we want to check the computation, so in a computation the name is basic salary, no matter whatever the name you are providing, but it should be mapped with correctly. Then on projected value, and exclude for ESI eligibility, yes, definitely. So if you are not getting this option, then press F12. Then here is an option exclude pay head for ESI eligibility, then set it yes. Now it is on flat rate. Monthly. Okay. Control A. Now next is DA, that is dearness allowance. This is again the earning for employee. Then it is fixed. You should make a variable because it based on the formula. It comes under indirect expenses. Then effect net salary. Then names to be displayed, that is dearness allowance. Then use for calculation for gratuity, definitely yes. Then set or alter. Here you should map it with dearness allowance. See, these are the income tax components. Then control A. And exclude for ESI eligibility, then it should be on computed value. Yesterday I told you all these 5 heads. Then here is on a specified formula. It is on based on basic salary. Okay. If you are getting as per the rule, like the previous rule, if you are getting till 15,000 salary, then you have to provide the 15. You will provide the 15% as a DA. But if it is not 50, it is greater than 15%, then DA will be 1500. Is it? Right? Now next is HRA. Again, it is indirect expenses. Enter, then house rent allowance. Enter, use for gratuity, definitely yes. Set or alter detail, yes. Then HRA, house rent allowance. Okay. Then compute value. Then again, it is on a specified formula like basic plus DA. Then control A. And then it is 7 directly the 10%. Is it clear? Everybody is creating the simultaneously you are working. Okay, do the simultaneously. Yeah? So definitely you will get all the things. Then the next is after like DA, then next is the conveyance allowance. Then it is again the variable. It will be depend upon the days. So it is then use for gratuity no. Then set or alter conveyance. Okay, conveyance is not there, so not applicable. Okay, it is not applicable for the ITR. Then it should be on attendance on basis of present. On basis of present, if they are taking sick leave, then I'll not provide the conveyance for that. Okay, and then day wise. And if you like here you want to month wise, then you have to define in a month how many days are there. But I'll provide the day wise. Okay. Then download rounding and limit is 1, 0. Next, we completed basic salary, HRA, house rent allowance, and HRA and DA, dearness allowance and conveyance allowance. The next is suppose you are providing employee, suppose employee will get the reimbursement if they spend something on behalf of the company, then they will get the reimbursement also. In any kind of reimbursement, maybe the medical expenses, maybe the like traveling, maybe the like refreshment or anything. So you should create the reimbursement. And it is the reimbursement to the employees. It is variable. Okay. And it should be according to the user defined value. Whatever reimbursement we want to provide, then you have to edit at that time. Okay. Then control A. So now the deductions. So, okay, I'm going to give you the one more PPT. In the PPT, I'm going to give you the explanation about the deductions. Employee EPS at the rate, employee pension scheme, right? At the rate 8.33%. So I should copy from here and I should paste it. Okay. I don't want to write again and again. So I should copy from here. Then it is the employees EPS. It is the contribution, employers statutory contribution. Okay. And it should be the EPS account number 10. You should select the EPS account number 10. Then it is again indirect expenses. Okay. Now control A. And you should provide the specified formula. It should be on basic plus DA. Okay. Then the formula is the percentage should be the 8.33. Is it clear? Control A. Now the next is employer EPF, but before that you should create your PF account. It is the employer PF. So first you should PF provident fund, that is deduction for employee, and it is your, it comes under duties and taxes. Then or you can set the current liability also. Then here effect net salary, name to be displayed, that is provident fund. And if you wish, then you can define here the provident fund rate, or you can define the user define. Okay, I'm going to provide here the computed value. Specify the formula, that is basic salary plus DA. Control it. Then PF will be 7.5%. It is just a example. Okay. Now next is employer CPF. Then it is the, see, here is, if you wish, then you can find out all are the contribution of the employer. These are the employer contribution. So you should set here the employer's statutory contribution. Then it is under EPF account number, PF account number 1. Then it is indirect expenses. Then again, on specify the formula. Basic salary. And it is, okay, it should be basic plus DA. Okay, just an example. Because see, according to the whatever the current, you have to check the current affair, and according to that you have to deduct. This is the common thing, whatever I am taking here. Then the next is that is EDLI's contribution. So again, enter. This is again the contribution. Indirect expenses. Are you doing simultaneously? Please tell me. Are you doing it? Are you working on that? Working now? Okay, I'm waiting. Just work it. Complete the work, please. Is it clear? So employee depository link insurance is a contribution. In this case, only the contribution will be from employer side. No employee contribution will be there. And I think so previously it was the 75 rupees per month. So you can mention here the 75 rupees. Specify the formula or can mention here the value 75 rupees. Okay, enter and enter. Then the next is professional tax. And again, it is the employee statutory deduction, then it is the professional tax. Okay, and then registration number you can provide here. It is the duties and current liability or duties and taxes. Then professional tax monthly, and according to like professional tax is around like 5 professional. See by the formula 125 rupees. Okay, so in mention here the 125 rupees per month. Enter, enter, enter. Now the next is almost to be completed the all the heads. Is it clear for the deduction, statutory deductions? Fine. So now you can define the salaries for every person. So because we first we define the heads, now you have to define according to the employee group. So go to the alter, then employee group in first accounts department. Then define the salary here. It should be take reflect from 1.5 basic salary. The rate is like he is getting 35,000. Then conveyance allowance day wise, because we have to provide the day wise. See, please check the student who was asking conveyance allowance is not calculated properly. So you should check. First of all, you have to provide the conveyance allowance, how much you will provide the conveyance allowance per day. But before that, you should provide the DA, then HRA, which is all by default calculated. Okay. Then PF, then contribution, additional tax, reimbursement, now conveyance allowance. You are providing suppose 500 rupees per day. Okay, and okay, we forget to deduct we forget to create the head for the leave, sick leaves, because sick leaves is, I think so we created them. Okay, I should check, I should check sick leaves. Sick leaves is a leave with pay. So if they are taking the sick leave, then definitely the amount will be paid. So no matter to define the other, but yes, leave without pay. That is casual leaves. Okay. So leave without pay. So leave pay, we have to create a one head. Here, leave without pay. It depends on attendance. It is the deduction from employee and it is our current assets. Then here is on attendance and on absent, on casual leaves. How many casual leaves he will take? Then if he will take the casual leave, then only the days. Okay. Control it. So I should alter the accounts department. The employee group accounts department. And here the leave with pay, leave without pay should be there. Okay. If they have taken the sick leave, then it is the 250 rupees per day. If they have taken the sick leave, casual leave. If casual leaves are there, then only, because see, I need to check if the sick leave balance is completed. Like for example, suppose 12 sick leaves he already taken. So we cannot provide more than sick leave. So we have to take the as a casual leave. Okay, we will check. Control A, Control A. Now the next department, HR department. Yes. Now it will be effect from and here should be copy from employee group. Now, but a basic salary is now for the HR department. Basic salary is 45,000. Okay. and the conveyance allowance is 750. Only you should edit. And if they are taking the leave, then 500. Control it. Control it. See, today you will learn how can we copy from the parent. Then again, you should copy from employee group. Okay, accounts department. Now the salary for the purchase department is 25,000. Only we need to alter, na? And conveyance allowance will be 400. In the leave without pay will be 150. Now purchase department is also completed. Now sales department. Yes. Now sales department 15. You should complete from purchase department. Now the sales department and purchase department salary and everything is same. Control A. Okay, we saved it. Now after saving it, what we have to do? For every employee, we have to define the salary. So define salary Ajay Gupta. And then Ajay Gupta is under account sales department. Then copy from parent value. Automatically the parent value amount will be there. Okay, Ajay Gupta is under the sales department. Then Harshita 15. Then copy from parent group. Automatically because 35,000 we provided to the accountant. Control A. Then Paridhi Jain. Paridhi is from HR department. Then copy from parent. See? Control A. Then purchase department. No, purchase department, no. There is Vinay Jain. 15. Then copy from parent. Now for every person we define the salary. For example, Ajay Gupta, accounts department. Then Harshita. Okay. Ajay Gupta from sales department. Then Paridhi Jain from HR department. Then from Vinay Jain from purchase department. Is it clear? Is it clear? Clear now? Please. Completed. Is it completed? Make sure, please. Completed? Okay. So now after creating the all the employee group salary, then you have to create the one. See, yesterday we when we pass the payroll voucher, then we directly we paid the salary to the employees. But now today I'm going to give you the explanation how can we create our own voucher, and because we want one salary payable ledger should be there for the current liability. Okay, so there is an option to create a ledger, then create salary payable account. It should be under current liability. Then after first of all, we will create the liability, we will generate the liability, and then afterward we will pay the salary. And here, please make sure you are getting use for payroll. If you are not getting use for payroll, then again press F12 key. Under the F12 key, there is an option of use for payroll. See, here is an option use ledger as a pay heads in payroll. Getting? Okay, so set it yes, press Control A. After pressing the Control A, you can set it yes. Then again Control A. One ledger should be there, that is PF payable. Okay, no, I'm only creating the salary payable ledger. Then afterward, you have to create a one voucher type. That is the to make a salary slip, you have to create a voucher type salary slip, and it should be under payroll voucher. Okay, and then here is a class option. Then end of list. Then here should be the salary payable. If you know, we already understood this thing. How can we create our own vouchers in how, what is the advantages of class? Is it clear? Then Control A and Control A. Okay. Completed now. Lecture pause हो गया है. How it is possible? From my side, it is running. Please confirm. Is my screen is visible or not? My screen is visible or not properly? And am I audible to everybody? Am I audible to everybody? Surjit, Bhargavi, am I audible? Is my screen is visible or not? Answer me, please. Because see, some student message is there, ma'am, lecture pause हो गया है. How it is possible? From my side, it is running. Just check your internet connection if it is, if like you are feeling some problem. Okay. So if you are facing some problems, first check your internet connection. Now, first of all, I'm going to enter a attendance. So for attendance, there is an option of F10. Then you should pass a one attendance voucher. Okay. Employee group C. Now, today I'm going to give you the one more understanding. Now, it is not possible to enter. Suppose we have the 100 employees. So, how it is possible to enter the present and absent for 100 employees? So, use this option, that is autofill option. Autofill option. Then attendance autofill. Then for you want on 31st May. 31st May for all items. Okay, all items then present. How much days you want to fill? 26 days. Okay, then next time you should again mark the attendance for absent. 4 employees are there, and then now if you wish, like suppose Paridhi Jain taken a 1 leave. So, and you don't want to provide the conveyance allowance, Paridhi Jain completely for 26 days. Or Vinay Jain. So here you can write here the 25 days. For Vinay, I write here the 25 days. Okay. Now again, I want next attendance. Autofill. All item. Now this time I want absent. Absent. Then default value to fill. This is casual leave. And only it is for, okay, all items. 1. Enter. Okay. It is the, see, okay, then control A. Now overtime pay I am not creating. So first you have to create the overtime pay. Pay head, overtime pay. Because see, unless until overtime pay is not created. So if you define here the overtime, but still if you check here the salary of any person, then there is no overtime. So we have to create the overtime pay also. So create pay head, overtime pay. Then it is not used for the gratuity calculation, and then set alter income tax detail. Here is no option of the overtime. If it is, then you can pay. Okay. Not applicable on projected value. As user define or on a production. Okay. How much? Then you have to alter the employees defined salary. Define salary for like it is Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta is your sales department. Then here you should provide the overtime pay 350 per hour. Then for HR department, Harshita. Overtime pay, it is 500 rupees per day hour. Then for Paridhi Jain, overtime pay is 750 per hour. Then purchase department, sales department completed. Now Vinay Jain. It is of purchase department. So it is overtime pay. It is 250 rupees. Okay. Everything you can understood from here. Also flat rate, computed rate. If you wish, then you can take the screenshot, control it. Then you have to pass the autofill attendance overtime on 31st March, all items and overtime. Okay, every person worked 3 hours 20 minutes. Control A. You can make the changes over here also. In 2 hours. Is it clear? Now you have to pass the payroll voucher, but here salary slip is there. 1. Then autofill. Use the autofill option. Then salary. See? Overtime pay is 1120. Why it is 1120? Just take for the Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta overtime is, we passed here. We should take the attendance of Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta overtime is 3.12 hours. That's mean 12 minutes. Okay. So we should check alter Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta is getting 350 per hour. So 350 multiplied by 3. That is control N. 350 multiplied by 3. That is multiplied by 3. That is 1050. And then for 12 minutes, I think so, right? So 350 divided by 16 multiplied by 12. 70. So it is 1120. For 12 minutes, he will get 70 rupees. Hai na? So that is 1120. Now you can check here. See, 1120 he is getting na overtime pay. And for leave without pay, it is deducting the 150 rupees. Why 150? Because he have taken a one sick leave, and sick leave is a leave without pay. Okay. Is it clear? Wait. Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Okay, let me complete it and then I'm going to repeat it. Harshita, I'm sure like you want na Harshita? Not Harshita, it is Rishikesh. Rishikesh, what you want to repeat? I'll give you the complete. I'll like we will go through the complete process. Huh? First, let me complete it. Then afterward, you can check, display more reports. Then now, yesterday we have seen the pay slips also. For every person, we have seen the pay slips. See? Okay. See, basic salary he is getting month-wise. So month-wise salary is a 25,000. And DNS allowance 1,500 because it crosses the limit 20,000, 15,000. House rent allowance is 2,650. That is 10% of basic plus DA. Then conveyance allowance is based on a present. So 26 days he present. So on 26 days, then 26 days multiplied by, I'm not sure like how much amount I have provided here, 10,400. Divided by 26. Per day he is getting 400 rupees. Okay. $1,400 divided by 26. Okay, I should take the conveyance allowance for Ajay Gupta. How much amount is given? Alter. Fine salary Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta conveyance is 400 rupees. Yes, correct. So 400 multiplied by 26, 10,400. And if you are like 400 multiplied by 30, then it is 31. 400 multiplied by 31, then it is 12,400. But because he present only for the 26 days, no? So for 26 days we will provide the conveyance allowance. No? See, gross salary is 12,400 is the actual conveyance allowance that should be provided, but we provide 10,400. Why? Because he present only the 26 days. He present only for the 26 days. And 4670 minus, these are the provident fund, professional tax, and leave without pay. Is it? Now we can check the computation also. Statutory reports, then summary. Still contribution is, we are not passed the entry for the contribution. Now we'll pass the entry for the contribution. Then income tax computation for Ajay Gupta. See, because we haven't deducted the income tax. So first of all, we have to create the entry, then income tax. Create a one pay head of the income tax. Income tax. And it is a statutory deduction. Income tax, then current duties and taxes. Month-wise, automatically it will deduct. Then alter. Fine salary, Ajay Gupta. Income tax, okay. Contribution, Arshita also. Income tax. Now, Parijay. Controlling. Now, Vinay. Income tax, okay. Controlling. Now, according to the slab rate, automatically the income tax will be deducted. Autofill, payroll autofill, salary. Okay. Then declared value, all items. See, presently income tax is not there because it's not crossed the limit. You can check for the Harshita also. For Harshita, I want to check the pay slip. Okay, I'm going to change the basic salary of Harshita. In salary for Harshita. Harshita is getting 55,000 rupees per month. Okay. Control A, control A. Now we can check. Playbook, you should first delete it. Then again you have to pass because for it will not refresh automatically. Then only for Harshita I am passing. Declared value. Now income tax is 3684. Is it? So we should pass for complete autofill. For all employees, I should pass salary. Okay. Now for like rather than Harshita, the rest employees, because see, because they doesn't they are not crossing the limit of for the income tax, they are not fall under the income tax slab. So we should take the display more reports, state reports, payroll reports, then statutory reports, income tax computation of Harshita. See, income tax is deducted the 3684. Only 1 month we deduct the income tax now. Is it clear? Computation is there. Then you can check the ITR form. See, here is ITR form also. Only for 1 month we deduct now. Is it clear? Okay. From Paridhi also it is deducted. So Paridhi also falls under the. You can check the computation salary projection for Arshita. This is the basic salary projection because 55 months he is getting per month. So total he will get 6,000, 6,05,000. Okay, this is the salary projection. DNS allowance, house rent allowance, professional tax, income tax. Still we haven't deducted for June, July month, so only it is giving me the 3684. Okay. Next contribution. So just pass the again the voucher. Okay, now this time you should not take the salary slip. You should take only the payroll voucher and then autofill for contribution. For PF contribution, if you wish, then you can create the PF payable account also. Okay, for example, here you can create the PF payable account. It should be under, it is the, here should be not applicable, then it is current liability. Then see, for all the PF is there, na, ED, LIS contribution, employee PF, employee EPF, all things are there. Then control it. Then it reflect your balance sheet. See, contributions are there, na. It is what? It is income tax. It is income tax. You can deduct the income tax for Harshita and Paridhi, and then it is complete. Is it? Then PF payable. It is 19,020. Then next is professional tax, 500 rupees. Because only we provide, we define a salary for only one person. Under that professional tax we define. Suppose we passed for the 12 months. Okay, how can we pass the 12 months salary, 12-month vouchers? See, press Alt 2 for copy, F2, 30th June. Because I am using the license version, so I have the, then again Alt 2, F2, 31st July. Control A. Again Alt 2, F2, 31st August. Control A. Again Alt 2, F2, 30th November. Control A. Then again Alt 2, F2, September, October, 31st, 10. Control A. Then Alt 2, F2, 31st, 30th November. Control A. Then Alt 2, F2, 31st December. Control A. Alt 2, F2, 31st January. Control A. Alt 2, F2, 2026, na? Then 28 February, Control A, last. All to F2, 31st March, Control A, Control A. Now you can check all the entries are passed now. See, 31st March. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One entry is already passed because joining period is May. Now you can check, display more reports, payroll reports, pay sheets for every person. See, first May to, is it? Okay. Now you can check the pay slip Ajay Gupta. This is for March 26. You can change the period now. Then payroll statement for basic salary. How much salary you provided? It is only for March, but you want from May to March. See, now you can check the computation for everybody. Statutory report, summary. Sorry, it is provident fund monthly statement. Oh, we have to pass the provident fund entry also now for every month. Then income tax computation. Now for Harshita. Total income tax deducted 4524. 4524. Faridhi Jain 15356. Now you can check the ITR also. ITR 1 for Harshita. Is it? Okay. Shall I move ahead? Now, if you feel like attendance registered, but because we haven't passed the attendance, now still only one attendance I passed now. So I should copy and paste, copy and paste for the 11 times. I'll get the Alt to F2 30th June. See, 30th June I passed because Alt2 is a copy the entry. Alt2 is for the copy. Now please tell me any doubt. Any doubt? The complete income tax you have deducted, and this is the complete. See, PF. Is it clear? Now, please tell me what you want to repeat again. Rishikesh, please tell me. Leave with pay. Okay. Leave with pay में देखें. First of all, see, I created a one attendance production type, that is sick leave. And then here is attendance with pay. Because see, if you are taking the sick leave, then you will get the payment. But if you are taking the casual leave, there, then this is leave without pay. Then once you create the leave without pay, then you have to create the leave without pay head also. See, I created here the leave without pay. alter. They had leave without pay. See, and casual leave, I related to the casual leave. Okay, I'm taking. Is it clear, Rishikesh? So I'll give you the more understanding on that. Okay. Now see, pay sheet एक बार repeat करूं. Okay, fine. So now, okay, I'm going to give you the more understanding. Huh? Now suppose, see, please take. Okay, I'm going to move in the next year. Huh? 1/4/26 to 31/3/27. This is the next year. Now, the thing is, only for the Ajay Gupta, please try to understand. Huh? Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta's salary is 25,000 is a per day salary, a per month salary, and conveyance allowance is a 400 per day. Okay, whatever the days he present, he will get according to that. Leave without pay, suppose he is taking casual leave 3 days. So 150 into 3 days will be deducted because here it is mentioned the leave without pay. Okay, if I'm not mentioned, then if you are entering the casual leave, then still it will not deduct because you haven't mentioned here, but you mentioned here. Now I'm going to mention here. See, first of all, you have to pass the attendance voucher. Attendance voucher for Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta present for 26 days. Okay, and Ajay Gupta have taken a casual leave for 2 days. Amount will be deducted. And Ajay Gupta taken a sick leave, which is a leave with pay 2 days. Okay, and Ajay Gupta again overtime pay is 3 hours. And he have taken a absent also. He was absent for 1 day. He was absent for 1 day, but absent is not related with any head. So for absent, the amount will not deducted. But for casual leave, the amount will be deducted. For sick leave, amount will not be deducted. Okay. So make sure he present 26 days. Okay. 24 days. Then he have taken a casual leave 2 days, then 2 days will be deducted amount 150 multiplied by 2. Then sick leaves, for sick leaves, no amount will be deducted. In overtime, he will be paid as a like whatever the overtime amount is there. And for absent, the amount will not deduct. Only for casual leave, the amount will be deducted. Now, if you wish, then other voucher, salary slip. And I'm passing for only the Ajay Gupta. Autofill Ajay Gupta. 31st. Oh, 30th April. Okay. 30th April. For only Ajay Gupta. Now, please check. See, Ajay Gupta leave without pay is 300. Why? Because he have taken a 2 days casual leave. Overtime pay, he is paying 1050 because 350 per hour multiplied by 3. 9600 is a conveyance allowance. 9600 divided by 26. You should check how much amount we are paying for per day. 24 days. He was present for 24 days. 9600 divided by 24. How much he is getting? 400 rupees per hour per day. But for absent, it is not deducted because for absent, we are not mentioning here the any head. Na? In income tax, it is not deducting the income tax. Why so? Because see, income tax, because he not falls under the income tax slab. Because see, 25,000 into multiplied by 12, how much amount is it? 3 lakh. On 3 lakh, no income tax will be there, but on 5 lakh, income tax will be there after 5 lakh. And suppose we want to pay the reimbursement also to the Ajay Gupta. Then Ajay Gupta reimbursement. How much amount you want to pay? 2000 rupees. Okay. Right. So we can check balance is what presently. This is the next year salary payable is presently salary payable is 39874. See, and then 2000. So total is 39,387 he is getting. You can check the Ajay Gupta's balance also. Payroll, na? Under payroll we can check. Na? Ajay Gupta. This is the basic salary. Payslip for Ajay Gupta. Okay. 3938. While the total amount will be 42087, but he have taken a two leaves, na? So that's why 300 rupees is deducted now. Now contribution. How you can pass the contribution voucher? Just take the payroll voucher. Now this time you should not take the payroll, and then here is PF payable in autofill. That is PF contribution. Only for Ajay. Okay. Is it? Per month, 75 rupees. We already mentioned EDLIS contribution. Employees EPS is 2207.45. Employer EPF is 972.55. Is it clear? Now, Rishikesh, what do you want to repeat it again, please? Because see, you are having the educational mode, so you should do in the May month. Just select the month in which we have the 31 days. Because see, I have the license version, so that's why I can enter the entry on 30th April. But you should enter the entry on 31st and just choose the month. Okay. 31st May, 31st August, 31st July, 31st October, 31st December, 31st January, and 31st March. Okay. Is it clear now? Now see, income tax return also only for the Ajay Gupta, because in this year I only passed for the Ajay Gupta. No? Computation Ajay. This is the gross salary. What he will be like. First is a standard deduction and professional tax, and then we haven't we haven't deduct any income tax over here. Is it? I'm going to show you one by one, because the employee group and employees everybody created, but one by one I'm showing to give you the clarification on pay heads. Just create these pay heads, please, if you've not created yet. Created, yeah. Rishikesh, pay sheet now. Okay. Display more reports, payroll reports, then pay sheet. See, this is the pay sheet which is giving me only for the 1st April to 31st of April, 30th April. Because recently I provided the salary. If I want complete, then a 142. See, I already provided the first month salary, April month. Now it should be for whole year. 31st 3/26. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Like for Harshita, like because the income tax is deducted on previous year. So we can check the previous year, 31st 3/26. Reimbursement was not there, but income tax is deducted, na? Is it clear? Anything else you want? Rishikesh, is it clear? Okay, now two more, like we can create the two more hat. That is again a very important hat. That is what? Bonus in gratuity. Bonus in gratuity. But first of all, what is a bonus? What is a gratuity? Gratuity is a lump sum amount paid by an employer to an employee as a token of appreciation for their long-term services. But you will be eligible only if you completed the 5 years of services. So for that, the constraint is you should complete the 5 years of services. Okay. And when the employee leaves the job, maybe due to the resignation or retirement or death. Okay. Like employee must complete at least the 5 years or continue services with the same employer. Exception in case of death or disability, the 5-year rule is not required. Okay. In case of डेथ और डिसेबिलिटी, अगर बीच में कभी डेथ हो जाती है या डिसेबिलिटी हो जाती है तो 5 ईयर रूल नहीं अप्लाई होगा, फिर आपको ग्रेजुटी मिलेगी. एम्प्लॉयर पेज द ग्रेजुटी इन द इट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर कंपनीज द कंपनीज हु हैव द 10 or more than 10 employees, only they can pay the gratuity. Okay, now next is what is the gratuity formula for employees covered under the gratuity act, जो भी अभी आपने पिछली साइड में पढ़ा. ग्रेजुटी 15 into last drawn salary into year of services, then text year of services. This is the gratuity formula. Basic salary plus dearness allowance. Number of days 15 is equal to number of days salary for each completed year and 26 number of working days in a month. 26 जो है by default number of days होते हैं in a month और 15 जो होते हैं वो number of days salaries for each completed year. So if basic plus DA is equal to 13,000 month, then the employee has worked for 10 years. Then 15 into 13,000 into 1026. 1026 is what? See, 10 years means 120 months. 120 into 26. You can do the calculation here. 120 into 26. Just a minute. Number of days na, for each completed years. So for one year it is 15. So for 10 year it is 150. 150 into 26. And 50 into 1026 is what? 15 into 30,000 and into 1026. Number of days salary for each completed year 15 days because एक साल के 15 दिन लेके चलते हैं और 15 इंटू 10 साल और 26 डेज जो है वो एक मंथ के मान के चलते हैं ना. बेसिक प्लस दिए 30,000 पर मंथ. हाँ 15 डेज सैलरी. ओके तो 30,000 का पहले तो 15 डेज सैलरी 30,000 जो है वो आपकी 26 डेज की सैलरी है तो 15 डेज की सैलरी कितनी होगी. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. 30,000 आपकी सैलरी है डिवाइडेड बाय 26 इंटू 15 तो 15 दिन की सैलरी हो जाएगी 17,307 और इंटू 10. This will be the gratuity 173.6. Yes, this will be the gratuity. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello, gratuity formula is clear or not? Okay, salary payable. Okay. I'm going to repeat it. Okay. First of all, you have to create a one ledger. Ledger salary payable. Okay, and then it should be under current liability and use for payroll should be yes. If you are not finding this head, then press F12. There is an option of payroll. Use ledger as payhead and payroll. This should be yes, huh? Okay. Then after creating the payhead, then salary payable, you have to create a one voucher type. I created the one voucher type. I am going to tell you about the salary slip. And it should be under payroll voucher. And the class should be used because in a class you can use this payable ledger, na salary payable ledger. Here I set the end of list, and here I created the salary payable ledger. Okay. Rishikesh? Rishikesh, is it like, are you getting whatever I told you? Shall I move for the next? Should I create a gratuity? Okay. So for example, I'm creating here the one pay head that is gratuity. Okay. gratuity. It is earning for employees. It is gratuity. Then gratuity days of a month is 26 days. And 1 to number of months 1 to 120. It is 15 days. Eligibility days for gratuity calculation per year. Okay. And if it is greater than 121, then you can mention the another days also, but I am not mentioning here. Again, it is 15. Okay. Then it is our lab provision. And then set alter, yes, then gratuity. Okay. Then now you can pay the gratuity also to the particular employee. How I created, please check alter paid gratuity. And for every employee, we can create the gratuity provision also. Because see, your employee, if your employee worked for the 5 years continuously in your company, then only you can provide the gratuity to your employee. Any question, please? Any question? Any question, please? Fine. Okay. So now we completed the payroll example. Also, if any doubt, then please raise the query. Tomorrow we will check the advanced features in Tally, like whatever the given, how can we take the advantage, like how can we reduce our time, and then one XML language, I should give you the understanding on XML language. Only tomorrow in the Monday is the last class. Okay. So 2 classes are remaining. If you still have the doubt, then you can raise the query. Fine. And if you wish like any important aspect you want to discuss in the class, then please tell me that topic so that I can give you I can repeat that topic again. Any topic in which you are like facing some difficulty, or you're like finding like the topic is not very much clear to you. So if you feel like that, then I'll give you the clarification, right? Otherwise, I'll give according to my like whatever the I want to give you the explanation tomorrow and then Monday. Most of the topic I tried to cover, I put it here the best effort to covered all the topics, but maybe any topic which you want to learn from my side, then please raise the query. Okay. Is it? Anybody wants to ask something, please? Now? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the patience listening, and try to recall all the topics, because see, day after tomorrow, Sunday is there. So just do the everything, whatever I covered here. And then if you find some difficulty in any topic, then on Monday we will discuss. Tomorrow is the class, right? Fine. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. If you are getting the link, then that means tomorrow is the class. Bye and take care.